What to know about transparency in kosher meat? When it comes to kosher meat, transparency is key. It ensures that consumers can trust the meat they purchase meets all kosher standards from start to finish. So, what does that mean for you? First, kosher meat must come from animals that are considered kosher under Jewish law. This includes certain types of cattle, sheep, and goats. The animals undergo a specific ritual slaughter process called Shechita. This process is performed by a trained individual known as a shohed. This ensures that the animal is treated humanely and in accordance with Jewish law. After the animal is slaughtered, it undergoes a careful inspection for any defects or signs of disease. This inspection is known as unknon pinim. It is a rigorous process that must be transparent to maintain the integrity of kosher meat. If any issues are found, the meat cannot be considered kosher. Another important step is the removal of blood. Consuming blood is strictly prohibited in kosher dietary laws. The meat is soaked and salted under rabbinical supervision to draw out any remaining blood. Labels or signage must clearly indicate whether this process has been completed, allowing consumers to know exactly what they are buying. Additionally, there is a strict separation of meat and dairy throughout production, storage, and sale. This means that kosher-certified facilities must use dedicated equipment and utensils for either meat or dairy products. This separation helps prevent any cross-contamination. Kosher certification agencies play a vital role in ensuring transparency. They oversee every stage of production, from the slaughterhouses to the packaging facilities. These agencies requiring detailed record-keeping and documentation. This allows each piece of meat to be traced back to its source, ensuring that, if any issues arise, they can be quickly identified and addressed. Certified kosher meat must be processed and packaged only in registered and approved facilities. If a product is handled in an unregistered location, it risks losing its kosher certification. This can lead to confusion for consumers and damage trust in the kosher food industry. In retail settings, kosher meat must be clearly labeled with the name of the certifying rabbi or organization. If both kosher and non-kosher meat are sold in the same place, this must be clearly indicated to avoid misleading consumers. For those dedicated to kosher food principles, transparency means knowing the animal's kosher status and that the ritual slaughter process was properly conducted. It also means assurance that the meat was inspected for health and kosher defects. Consumers can feel confident that blood removal was done according to Jewish law and that meat and dairy are kept strictly separate. Verification that all production, packaging, and labeling occur in certified kosher facilities is essential. Access to traceability information allows consumers to track the meat's source and production history. Clear labeling helps identify kosher certification and distinguishes kosher from non-kosher products. This level of transparency is not just about compliance. It is about maintaining trust and integrity in the kosher food industry. It ensures that consumers receive products that fully meet the dietary laws and ethical standards of kosher, supporting both religious observance and food safety.